honorable guests, we now approach the moment for the formal conferment of the Baton of Field Marshal, and I would now request Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military Chief of the Army Staff, to kindly move to the center stage. Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition of his distinguished military leadership, extraordinary courage, and unyielding commitment in safeguarding the sovereignty, territorial integrity, and strategic interests of Pakistan during one of the most critical periods in recent history, on the direction of the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, and with the approval of the Federal Cabinet, General Syed Asim Munir, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military, is elevated to the rank of Field Marshal. I now request the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the Prime Minister to kindly proceed with the investiture and confer the Baton of Field Marshal upon Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military Chief of the Army Staff.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।